Hello and welcome. This is Abdul with a video tutorial on Big Blue Button. Big Blue Button is a video conferencing application that teachers might find very useful. Let's see how we can access Big Blue Button. Just type Big Blue Button, 3 B's, Big Blue Button on the browser, and you'll be taken to this page. Maybe you can just click it, and once you click it, you see you'll be taken to the home page of Big Blue Button. This is the landing page, Big Blue Button. You can find all these graphics, beautiful layout. So we have an icon here, try now icon. So I have clicked try now. I am already logged in. So you can see how we can, let me go out, let me log out and come back. I think that would be good for you to, and let me sign out. Okay, now I'm out. So we have two options here, sign in, sign up. So if you haven't signed up, you can click sign up. If you have already got sign in details, things like an email ID, password, like the user ID and password, you can get signed in. But I think we can use this, sign up and use our Google account or something like Facebook, Twitter, something like that. Let me use my Google. So I am going to get signed up with Google and I'm going to click my email. Okay, I am signed in. So we have warning here, due to increased demand recordings are temporarily disabled, so we don't need recording. So recording has been disabled by the people, so we won't be able to record on the same platform. Let's see what happens. But we can always use other Screencast-O-Matic and other things. I have already started it and I'm recording it. Okay, this is the home page, home room. So we have one session, 0 recordings. So this is the thing that we find on this home room. Okay, so this is the meeting link. So when you are scheduling an event on Big Blue Button, at the landing page itself, you can get the link and you can just copy it and share it with your friends. So this is the first thing you can do with Big Blue Button. Just copy this link and share it with your friends. And these are the things I have already accessed. Last session, create a room, all these things. Okay, let us create a room. Let's see what happens. I'm creating a room. Imagine I want to schedule a room. The title is LOVE, live online virtual engagement. So this is the title of the general optional room, access codes. These are things. Mute users. These are the things that we can use if we need it, depending on the situation. Let me skip all these things and I'm going to create. And I'm going to create a room and I have created one more room. So LOVE. So the one right now I create right now. So these are the rooms I have created, and we can also delete the rooms. For example, I created this room some time back. I don't want it. I can see. Let's see how we can delete it. Let's see how we can delete the room. Room settings. Update room. Generate an optional room access code. Update room. Okay. Okay, so we don't have icons here to delete rooms. Maybe let's see what happens. I'm a newbie to Big Blue Button, and once you click this, it should appear. Okay, anyway, we can do it later. Again, room settings. Allow users, require mute users, home room adjustment, update home. Okay, fine. So we can learn how to delete rooms later. Now let's go ahead with our presentation. We have seen how we can schedule a session here. Okay, so we have created a room. Oh, gone. One room has gone. Let's see what happened here. Delete option is here. Thank God. So I'm going to delete my room. Okay. Are you sure you want to delete? I am sure. Delete this room. So I don't want this room anymore. Okay. So let's see how many rooms remain. So we have home room here. Home room. So home room I think cannot be deleted. Maybe it may be there forever. So that it didn't click. I mean I couldn't delete it first. Okay. So let me delete my room again. Gone. Okay. Oh, second. I'm sure. Delete this one. If you don't want to delete, we have another option there, but I have deleted. I'm going to create a room again. So rooms are really, we need rooms. Okay. Events are called rooms here. Create a room. So I have created again another room. This is the room I have created, and I suppose I want to start. Okay. Room settings. So this is the room I have created right now. Update room. We can make adjustments, maybe the kind of things you require moderator, all these things. Update room. So the room is updated. Room settings are updated, and this is the way how we. Let me agree with cookies. Okay. This room has no recordings. So I have created room here, and I can invite people to my room. I can always invite people to my room. Just copy this link and send it to people. And when we are ready to begin the session, we can click start button. And when you click start button, you'll be taken to the presentation area, the room, actual meeting area. So the first question they ask is to join with microphone, and either you can join microphone or you can just join as a listener only mode, no speaker mode. Okay, so I'm going to click this. So these are the options. We need to give permission. So the mic is being tested, microphone is being, yeah, it's work. Let me click yes. Okay, I get the message that I'm the only person in this meeting. Okay, let me skip all these things. Okay, go to the list panel. Okay, here you find public chat, and when you click public chat, this is the chat area. Chat area is also the area for interaction. The instructors can give instructions, notes, and all these things can be shared here. So it's a very useful place where people can, teachers can use it for classroom interaction. So we have another icon, shared notes. So far I haven't shared any notes. Okay, so they don't appear here. Below that you find users list, and currently I'm the only user here. And if you click the user icon, there are icons like set status. We have different status words here, descriptions: away, undecided, confused, sad, happy. So a whole lot of expressions you can click. And just below that, let me go back again. Below that, you can use mute. So suppose there are so many listeners, so many participants, you can mute them individually. So this is the thing that is possible with, maybe with other platforms too, but this is really interesting. Big Blue Button is hassle free. I think no issues. It goes, navigation is very easy for us. You can pass from one page to other, one section to other, very easy. So here you can text, you can see, suppose you're using this area for sharing text, you can just edit it using the bold letters, italics, underscoring, underlining, ordering list. Maybe you want to list 1 2 3 like that. these are bullet types are also, so we can use bullet. Okay, you can undo. Okay, so the bullet came back here. You can redo. Okay, you can import export from different file formats. Maybe you want to export HTML or something like that. All these are possible. Okay, so this platform is also very useful for teachers. Now let's come to the presentation area. This is the presentation area that we can make use of. Here maybe we can see the slides and all the presentations can be shown here. We can zoom this, we can hide this. Okay, we can again go back to presentation area. So the presentation area has been hidden and restore. We can restore it, and the other chat and other areas are already hidden. We can restore it by clicking here. Okay, fine. This is the main panel here, then the interaction section, public chat. If you click it, you can see it, and this is presentation area. Now the presentation area on the just right, you can find some tools, handy tools like, okay, when you click this, showing your hand. Okay, pencil is here. You can draw something. So if you want to highlight some area, you can use pencil. You can again, let's click. Okay, if you use this, okay, I think we can identify, direct people to different sections using this hand tool. Okay, then we have rectangle. Okay, rectangle is also the. Okay, now let's see what happens with rectangle tool. Okay, triangle. Okay, and text. So text tools are also okay. So very nice tools, handy tools for us when you're using a collaborative platform. So this presentation area is the collaborative platform. We can use it as a collaborative platform with teachers and students can use it. And when other people are using it, you can see their names along with the. Okay, let's see what happens. Multi user. This is the multi user. Okay, now I have enabled multi-user whiteboard, and when I am typing, my name comes with. So instructors can identify who else is participating in this activity, like that. Okay, and if you go further up on the options, three dots, if you click it, you can see some other features, some other icons, some other buttons to click. Make full screen, settings button. Okay, you can make full screen. You can also click settings button. So many setting specifications are shown here. Animations, audio alerts. Okay, all these are useful when we get familiar with these features. Okay, we can come back to the options area again. About page. If you click about, you can see the details of or further details of the big blue button application you're using right now. Okay, now let me come back to the last one option. Okay, keyboard shortcuts and meeting. So right now we have embarked on a meeting. We are running a meeting, and I'm right now I'm running a meeting. I can end it by clicking this button. You can log out from big blue button by clicking here. My god, I shouldn't log out. Okay, I will have to come back. I'll show you one more. Okay, let's join again. So